Thula ama-2000
Awathula ama-2000 ngifuna ukuwachazela.
ngentela yokuphila esatshelwa ngayo sesifile izinkinga asizithenganga sasikweleta ubhambathaka amancinza wasilwela njengemvana wasifela
Inkululeko ngegazi yathengwa singabantu abamnyama sacindezelwa owesifazane engenakusebenzela owesilisa engenakusikhulumela amandla sinawo izwe singaziphathele amagwaba bexhobane esengibalekele ngoba bengizowazekela ngokuzigqaja nokuzazi kube umbiko njenge-black consciousness ka-Steve Biko inkululeko yafika emva kwesililo where the blood was spread and the leaders were separated where the anger was created and fighters were motivated by the word that was spoken balilahla balilanda izwe balikanda salibamba thulani ma-2000 sinichazele ukuthi amaqaphela anqabela ingqondo mayincikaza ukuqopha izingoma zokunqoba isigaca isixuku sabafundi benxusa ukuceka ngomanxiwo bandlululo befuna ukukhululwa abanye babhaca balwa bafaze kwabithuba bayalifumana bangalala bephangalala igazi laphalala kodwa iphupho labo liyafadalala bacinga bacija bachaba yacaca inyathuko sekwabakyasa thulani ma-2000 sinichazele
ukuthi their blood gave us free education it required them dedication imagine they had no qualifications but we are being assisted in clinics for free now I can speak that it did work for us their sacrification a black person can have a mention I can even mention umntwana kaphinda ngene ngoba wakhothamisa sazi isithelo sesihlahla esaniselwa ngegazi elachitheka during the fight where our heroes were ensuring that we live right today we have the freedom of choice and the right of life we are free to be alive ngenxa yegazi elachitheka inkululeko mayichazeka ubukhulu bayo ayibisazekeka their blood gave us hope namhlanje sinompompi in our homes a black person can own freedom means there are people who died for us to have a peace they were united when they were fighting for it we are separated because we are enjoying it let's reconcile and fix it because we owe them peace that they died seeking for it freedom must be a priority to honor their dignity freedom must be a priority to honor their dignity